Hey guys.
1, 2, 3, you put your eyes on me. 4, 5, 6, and my feelings are mixed. 7, 8, 9, I just follow the signs. 10, kiss me in the rain. 1, 2, 3, you're too blind to see. 4, 5, 6, that I'm taking the risk. 7.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and I'm going to be making coconut rice, pepper chicken and turkey with what else? Fried plantain and chapman. I'm going to be already parboiling the rice, and the chicken and turkey is already cooking, and once that is ready, I'm going to be taking you guys to the kitchen and you guys are going to see my process in making this. Okay, today we're eating something different from other Sundays. Yeah, do want to subscribe to this channel. If you are here and you're not subscribed to this channel, I'm judging you. Subscribe to this channel now. Okay? Yeah. See you guys. Bye. Say hi. Don't be alarmed, it's just a mask, okay? Here's my baby. How are you doing? How do you feel today? He's sweating. You biggie. You biggie. and I decided to get a microphone. Let me show you guys. So this is Jumia. I was able to get a discount for this. The actual price was around 15,000, around 16,000 or 15,000, but I was able to, I got a discount code, so a coupon code, actually more like that. Yeah, so I got it for 13.5. That's minus plus delivery. Actually it's 13.5 plus delivery. So just don't sleep on it. So I'm going to be, attaching this to my camera. I don't even know how I'm going to do this, but I'll figure it out. So bye. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I am so excited because there's another surprise. The last surprise was this camera, and there's another surprise. Yeah, so hold on, we're going to be doing an unboxing. I don't know, this fan might be disturbing you guys from hearing what I'm saying. Let me just switch it off. So I have a surprise for you guys to see. So DK spoiled my phone. The button, my iPhone 7, the button spoiled. Like everything was just working. I took it to go repair it. The battery spoiled. It was just frustrating. So Hubby was coming back yesterday and he got me this one. Yeah, I've already installed everything I need. I've been working on it yesterday, if I'm even saying. Yeah, so yeah, we got something new. You can see this. So yeah, I'm still looking for a picture to use for my screensaver. Yeah, so I'm excited because I'm about to make the most out of this phone. I'm about to make the most out of this phone. This is the iPhone 11. He got it for me in 64GB size, and you guys yeah, that's DK's hand has not even touched this phone, and I'm not going to allow him to touch it because I'm not taking chances. Like, I am not. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. See you guys. Hey guys, so I figured out why did this in this video. I don't even have an outro. I don't have an outro. English is hard for this video, so I decided to come here and end this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do well to share to your friends, comment, and of course subscribe. Like, how will you be watching this video? Almost 55% of people that watch this video is never subscribed to this channel. The rest is subscribed, but 55% of you guys are not subscribed, and I'm like, why? Just subscribe, just hit that bell, okay? So you guys, that mic that I got it dawned on me that I might never be using it on my camera, but that's not a problem. I might be using it on my phone, or at the end of the day I might just, I don't know yet, but it's not a problem because I've been trying to figure out how to put it and connect it to the camera, and it dawned on me that Sony A5100 cannot, the mic cannot be attached to it, and it's either I get an audio recorder differently or something. I don't know. It's just, I might just, like, I don't know, just please, if you have any way, if you have this exact camera and you have a way that you actually mount your mic without having to record audio differently and do the other one differently, please let me know in the comment section, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Alright.